Imagine putting a lot of effort and time into designing a great and creative flyer, and by the time you export and send it even as a document to someone on WhatsApp to retain its quality, the person sends it to another person as a normal image, then it lost the quality. You can't expect the person you send it to also send it to another person as a document, right? So the best thing to do is to export your design the right way. So in this video, I will explain why Ultra is not the best option and show you the best export setting in Pixellab. Let's get started. Okay guys, a very quick one. You can export your design in such a way that it will retain its quality even if sent on WhatsApp or any platform as normal image using two methods. But before that, I will show you what I mean by using the Ultra option in Pixellab. Now let me open this project, this Instagram carousel for slides. Now let me save it as image, save as image, and choosing Ultra. Now save to gallery. Okay, let's go to the file manager to see what we just saved. Now this is the image we just saved. The number one red flag is the size. Look at the size, 924.93 kilobytes. Now let's open the image. Now this is the image. I want to zoom now. Can you see? As I'm zooming it, it's getting blurry. The text are becoming, illegible. So now let's go back to Pixellab and show you the normal export setting. Okay, like I said, we have two methods to export our image to retain its quality. Now let me show you number one. Let me create a new document. Now the number one is to get your document setting right. Now let's go to where we set our size. This is our image size. Can you see the default setting that Pixellab is giving us? 1280 pixels by 1280 pixels. This is the default size. But what I usually do is that I multiply this default size times 3. So if I'm designing a social media flyer that is in square shape for Instagram, I multiply this default size times 3. Now if I multiply 1280 pixels times 3, it will give me 3840 pixels. So I'll put the same figure here because it is square shape, so 3840. So with this setting, you are on the right path. So now once you are done setting it like this, now I will show you how you export, because I said there are two ways. That's the first step. The first step is to get your document size ready. But if by any means you forgot to set your size, you can also do it at the point of exporting your image. Now let me go back to the design I showed you the other time. This is it. Now look at my setting here. Look at my setting. It is 4 slides. So I calculated it. You can watch my previous video. I calculated it that I got this figure. So if I want to save it, instead of me choosing the Ultra, I have this custom size that is more than Ultra. So if I choose Ultra, it will reduce the quality of the custom setting that I have set for my document. So it is better to leave it at custom and save. Or assuming you forgot to set your document right, when you are saving your image, instead of choosing the Ultra, you can set your size here. So as a matter of fact, you can see I can edit it. Even this 12,000, I can say 12,000 times 2 and calculate it and put the figure here. I can say 3,000 times 2 and put the figure here. By the time I save it, I'm saving in highest quality possible. Now let's save it and see the difference. So we have saved it. Now let's go to the file manager to check for the differences. Now look at it. This is the first image we saved with the same document size but Ultra option, 924.93 kilobytes. This is the one we saved without using the Ultra but just the custom setting. We have 7.9 MB. Now let me open it. This is the one we just saved without the ultra option. Now let me zoom it. Now, can you see the difference? Can you see, no matter how I zoom it, this is still readable and still sharp. So that is why it is better to get your, number one, it is better to get your what? To get your document setting right, or at the point of exporting it, you use a custom setting and use high figures so that you double the quality. So that's it, guys. There are other things I still want to show you, but I don't want this video to be longer than this. So if you want more tips and hidden features like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Stay creative.